Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a fresher and looking for a job opportunity in tech career, this video can definitely save your time because I came up with two developer opportunities. One is high paying full stack role and another is a software developer role. Let's start with first one because this one is actually interesting. So this role is for full stack developer at Quickreply.ai by Fabrics. It's a product based startup and the position is based in Gurugram. It's a full time permanent role, and the salary range they are offering is 6 to 16 LPA, which is honestly pretty solid, especially if you are someone with strong month tech skills. Now, talking about eligibility, if you are a fresher or candidate with 0 to 4 years of experience, you are definitely eligible. Even though you are a fresher with no experience, your salary may range from 6 LPM minimum. They are clearly expecting someone who understands architecture, scalability, and performance. So, if you have demonstrated these skills in your projects, you can definitely have a chance. The kind of work you will be doing here includes designing system architecture like how your front end connects to backend, how data flows through APIs, how everything is structured. You will be building high performance web applications using mern so Node.js, React, MongoDB, Express. They are also expecting you to write reusable code, collaborate with different teams, and help improve, monitor, and workflow systems. So, this is a proper engineering role, not just UI fixing. Now let's talk about skills. They specifically want someone strong hands-on experience in Node.js and React.js. You need to be comfortable with modern JavaScript ES6 and above. Data structures and algorithms are important. You should understand RESTful API design and be comfortable working with databases like MongoDB and MySQL. If you know Git, AWS Express, or have solid one stack experience, that's a very big plus. Qualification wise, they have mentioned any graduate can apply, but obviously your skills matter more than your degree are. Quick Reply itself is building a WhatsApp marketing automation platform for e commerce brands. It was founded by IIT Delhi alumni. They have raised seed funding and they have grown to over 800 paying customers globally. So it's a very growing startup. Now let's move to the second opportunity. This one is a software developer role based in Chennai at Smartronic Technical Solution. It's also a full-time permanent position and they are offering between 2.75 to 4 LPA. This role is definitely made for freshers or candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience. And the good part, there are 15 openings. So compared to the first role, chances of selection are here higher. In this role, you will be mainly working on server-side application development. They expect you to work with Java and Python and you will be building RESTful APIs. You will collaborate with front-end developers and handle database tasks as well. They have mentioned technologies like Java, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, SQL, and Oracle. So it's a more back-end heavy role, but some with full stack exposure depending on your skills. If you also know Angular, React, Spring Boot, MongoDB, or MySQL, that's definitely an added advantage. As per qualifications, they are accepting any graduate, BTech, BE, BCA, and BSc. Most technical degrees are eligible. Just one important thing, there's a contact number mentioned in the job posting. Always remember, no genuine company will ask you for money or interviews or job offers. So apply smartly and stay cautious. So these were the two quick opportunities. Both the apply links are in the description box. By the way, I have posted some cheat sheets and interview resources which can help you at the end time of your interview. So make sure to check out them by using the link in the description box. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.